Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do a Gantt chart in Google Sheets. So in here, I'm already on the docs.google.com/spreadsheets. And if you want to easily create a Gantt chart or do a Gantt chart timeline, you can just go to the template gallery on Google Sheets. And in here you can just scroll down until you find the project management sections and you'll easily spot the Gantt chart timeline. So let's just click on that template. You can just click on it and the template will be opened. Okay, so here is the Gantt chart template by Google Sheets. So it might not you need to edit the content. You can see that it might not be the same or aligned with your project. So what you need to do, just make a little bit of editings, like you can add a project title and manager. You can add the company's name. Here you can also change the week if you want to. Or you can also change per item in here. Of course, the name will be different and the date also, but you can easily do that by double click on it and change to the date that you want. In here you can click on today if you want to. Here you can also click on today, just like this. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.